Hey guys, welcome back to How to Shout. And if you have just downloaded the Windows 10 22S2 ISO file and want to know or want to verify whether the file is untampered or an original, then this video is going to help you. Here we're going to talk about how you can verify that your file which you have is original and genuine. So for that, first of all, of course, you have to download the file of Windows 10, and once you have that, open the folder or location where you have kept that file. Right click on it and copy its path. After that, open your terminal and use this command get hash, paste that path which you have copied, and after that use algorithm SHA256 and hit the enter key. As you press the enter key, you will get the hash value of your downloaded ISO file. Like I have downloaded this file, and after running this command, I got this hash. And now what I have to do, I have to copy this, and after that go back to the official website from where you have downloaded the Windows ISO image, and right there below the download button you will get all the hash which you can use to verify whether your file is original or not. Like I have copied this hash of my file. Now I will press Ctrl F and I will paste this here. The file which I have downloaded, here is the hash on the official website. So this shows that my file is original, and the same you can done from our website. I have created this article and copied all the official checksum values of the Windows 10 editions which are available on the official website, and I have listed them all here. You can come here and paste your checksum and hit the enter key, and if the value is there, you will find it will show that your file is original and English language and 64-bit architecture which you have. In this way, you can verify that whether your file is original or not, and you know now how you can get the first hash value, and you can just verify it either on the official website or can come back to about this website howtoshout.com. I will give all these links in the description, and you can just go there and check them out.